Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this bedside lamp that this brand sent to me for the video, which I think it's quite nice, it's quite cozy, and I think it could be really good if you, for example, are looking for both a nice decoration for your bedside table lamp or something like that, or your nightstand, or if you have like an accent corner in your house, something like that. This one is going to be nice for reading, watching TV. If you want to binge watch that favorite TV show or something like that, you can do it with this one because it's going to be more cozy than anything. It's not going to be to brighten up your room or something like that. It's going to actually be a cozy light. As you can see over here, it comes with this super thick glass, which you're going to have to install like in 1 minute or 2 minutes, no more than that. And this heavy golden base over here, which by the way comes with a wrapping pad over here, so it won't damage your furniture. But then once that you put it on, and I'm going to actually turn off the lights in a little bit, it has this remote control that you can dim the lights. So that's actually kind of nice. As you can see over here, you can dim it. And that's how it's going to have this really nice star effect. Actually turn off the lights. Okay, this is going to be better so you don't have that glare, that weird glare that the lenses were doing. But as you can see over here, if you just dim it a little bit, this is going to be perfect for watching TV, for watching TV shows. And this one for like a more like a cozy decoration or romantic night or something like that. And this one more for reading or something that you need a little bit of more bright. You can see this really nice effect that it does right here at the bottom part. So I think this one could be really nice for those places like a decoration in an accent corner or your living room or your bedside nightstand or something like that. Could be really good for that with the dimmable remote controller. I like it. I do recommend this one. Thanks for watching and see you soon.